Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoom with monday.com. This integration makes it super easy to schedule meetings, track video calls, and automate communication directly from your Monday boards. Let's jump right in. To get started, open monday.com and go to the board where you want to set up your Zoom integration. From there, head to the Automations button at the top right corner. This is where all integrations and workflow automation tools are located. Once you're inside the Automation Center, look for the Integrations tab. Click it, and you'll see a list of apps you can connect. In the search bar, type Zoom and select it when it appears in the results. Now, click Add to Board to start connecting your Zoom account. Monday.com will open the Zoom authorization page where you'll need to sign in to your Zoom account. After logging in, you'll be asked to approve the connection between Zoom and Monday.com. Go ahead and allow it. Once your accounts are linked, you'll return to Monday.com where you can choose from different Zoom automation templates. These templates let you create automated actions like scheduling a Zoom meeting when a status changes or logging meeting details inside an item after the call ends. For example, you can use the template when status changes to something, schedule a Zoom meeting. Select the template you want and customize the details. Choose the column that triggers the automation, set who the host will be, and adjust things like meeting duration or time. If you want Zoom meeting details to appear automatically on your items, you can also use automations that pull information from Zoom into specific columns, making it easier to track calls without leaving Monday. When you're done customizing, click Add to Board or Activate. Now your integration is live and Monday will start scheduling or updating Zoom meetings based on your settings. And that's how you integrate Zoom with monday.com. It's a simple setup that saves you time and helps you manage meetings directly inside your workflow. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more monday.com tutorials.